Okay, my strawberries need a clean up after winter. There's a lot of dead leaves and a couple of weeds in there, so we're going to give them a tidy up. Okay. Trowel, secateurs, let's go. Now these I'm cutting off as close to the mother plant as I can. If there's a node between the mother plant and some new leaves, I would do it after the node, but there isn't on most of these. And when I say a node, this is what I mean. So this would grow roots and sit in the soil, but this one I don't want because I've got too many. So up in this trough, I've got one too many plants. So what I want in each is between 3 and 4. I've actually got 5 in this one. So we're looking to move one of the plants out and possibly down to here. But I'll give it a soil top up as well in a moment. So down here, I've got 2 plants, 3 plants. So I'm going to bring one more from the top down and just rearrange a little bit so they're tidied up and they've got a little bit more root room. This should be the first year of flowering because last year I put them in. This year should reap some results, I hope. There is straw in here. Not much, but if you're putting strawberries on the ground, straw is a nice deterrent from rodents that might want to come and eat the strawberries. Okay, I'm going to move. Oh look, are you hibernating? Oh my little darling, I'm sorry for disturbing. Oh. Disturbing the wildlife. Ladybird. So because the soil is loose, which is what you want, I'm able to move the plant and the majority of its roots without harming it too much. If you've got compact soil, wet the soil as much as you can and leave it for a bit before you go back and attempt to take out your plant so you don't damage the roots. this one over. No, we're not. We're going to move that one. Just a little bit. That one can stay there. And we're going to take out this one. And brush on that. I do need to move you because you're too. You can come over a bit. Come over there. Which means that you can come over. I know you're happy with your buddy, but no, come on over. Give yourself some room to play. Okay. And now, every year, once a year, a fresh top up of compost. Get some nutrients and vitamins back in the soil. And that goes with any plants. I do that with as many of my plants as I can. Give them some fresh soil, fresh food. If it's not edibles like this, then I do add some fertiliser as well. Give them a little bit of a boost after winter. And some extra food as well, but not with edibles. Okay. And these baskets, this stuff, is a recycled bath scrunchie. It broke, it was useless, so I helped with your plants. So pressing it down helps get rid of any air pockets. now done. All we need to do is the water. And my little friend has moved, which is just as well. So this one should pick up soon when it's got some water. But they've now got a nice even spacing between them. So fingers crossed.